Welcome to SGN Steno Classes Dictation Start. Reports of 6 returnees from United Kingdom testing positive for the new coronavirus strain are reason enough for the government and the people to be alert again against the threat of the pandemic COVID 19, marking another deadly wave across the nation. Experts are of the opinion that the new strain spread at a faster pace than the original variant, and hence the government must put in place stringent measures to stop its spread. The government has already decided that the guidelines for surveillance, which were to be effective till December 31st, will continue to be in force till January 31. This is welcome, but it must consider if this is enough. Schools and colleges across the country, as well as entertainment centers, are in the process of opening, though under strict controls. Mass transport systems such as railways are also easing the controls, albeit slowly. The government must examine the option of pressing the pause button on the unlock process in view of the discovery of the new strain, taking, of course, the nation's economic interests also into account. It must ensure that there is an aggressive contact tracing, isolation and treatment for all the affected in all the cases, unlike the way the country handled it when the virus arrived first time earlier this year. It must also consider relaunching the mass awareness program it kicked for ahead of the festival season, as the new strain could find the new year festivities a perfect medium through which to afflict more people. That the report come at a time when India has been showing a regular decline in the number of new coronavirus cases, offers no solace and no reason to us for lowering the guard. Full stop. There is no case to be careless until scientists and manufacturers are ready with the vaccine and the government has put in place a proper policy and mechanism to inoculate and the susceptible groups of people. Full stop. It is reassuring that the government is now rolling out a dry run for the vaccination drive, but the real issue will be the availability of the vaccine in the required quantity in time, meeting the logistical challenges such as cold chain and the financial wherewithal to carry out the operation. Per vaccination is going to be massive process given that the government is considering vaccinating about 30 crore of the population. There are reports that a sizable section of the global population is resisting the idea. That must be true for India too, and it will necessitate another major public awareness campaign. There are already exaggerated report about the after effect of the vaccination flying thick and fast in mainstream alternate and social media. The government must take early steps to ensure that such full stop.